Thanks for watching Healthy Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please click on subscribe button. This can cure your kidneys, pancreas and liver in a single blow. The remedy that can cure your pancreas, kidneys, and liver is nothing more and nothing less than a spice that is used in the kitchen very commonly. This spice is the main ingredient in many stews and seasonings of different foods. We are talking about cilantro. This spice is excellent for curing a lot of diseases. Its aroma is unmistakable anywhere. But it is always related to the cuisine, especially with meats and soups. However, in this video, we will tell you how to implement this spice to prepare a remedy that will help you heal many diseases of your body. It is very simple to prepare and you will not regret to try it. Coriander has a large amount of oils that serve to benefit the digestive system. In this way, coriander can eliminate the acidity produced by foods that cause a great impact on the body. Coriander also contains a lot of nutrients, minerals and vitamins A, K, B, C, E. The most outstanding benefits of this spice are: it is an excellent diuretic. It serves to cure almost any kidney problem, such as kidney stones, stimulates liver function. It improves the digestive process. It cures the diarrhea, since it is excellent eliminating bacteria and infections. Eliminates fat accumulated in the body. It lowers cholesterol. It cures the mouth ulcers, because it has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Decrease blood sugar. Eliminates conjunctivitis. Improve eyesight and prevent eye conditions. This can be done by soaking your eyes in cilantro water. Now when you know, you can begin to implement this spice in your daily life more often. If you found this information interesting, you can share it with your friends and family. Surely someone will also find it useful. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel to get latest news and more videos. Thank you.